Why are steam engines no longer in use? Steam engines are fired with coal from a heater and they pollute the air. Electric engines are faster and also more powerful and they can travel through mountainous regions. However, they need a network of overhead lines and a reliable power supply. Thus, big countries like the USA or Russia, mainly diesel engines are used. These diesel engines are strong and keep the fuel on board. Steam engines operate only in a few countries like Myanmar or Zimbabwe. They are also used for recreational purposes.